Reddit is the biggest untapped growth channel on the internet, and almost nobody knows how to use it. ReplyAgent fixes that. It scans every Reddit post, picks the ones that match your product, then it writes clean, human-sounding comments that fits right into the thread. No spam, no fluff, just sharp replies that land where the buyers hang out. The smart part? It rewrites your comment to match each subreddit's rules. That keeps you safe, it keeps you in bounds, and it keeps you from getting banned. But here's the twist that really sets it apart. ReplyAgent doesn't use bot accounts. It uses real human-operated Reddit accounts. People log in, people post, people blend in, and you only pay if your comment stays live for a certain period of time. If it gets removed, you pay nothing. So if you want real traffic without ads, if you want to show up in the exact threads where people are asking for tools or products like yours, if you want the edge, ReplyAgent.ai is it. Let me show you how this all works. Let's dive in. Okay, so here we are at ReplyAgent.ai, and I'm loving this tool, and I'm going to walk you through all of the features. But at its core, it's an AI Reddit marketing automation tool that allows you to market your product on Reddit without getting banned. But it's not just that. It has so many more features, like an AI comment generator, so you can generate human-sounding natural Reddit comments with AI. You can monitor brand mentions for your brand or other brands and tap into these conversations to do product research, market research, and so much more. And finally, you can generate leads, and you can find and convert customers on Reddit. Your customers are hanging out on Reddit, they're looking for your product, and we're going to show you how you can use this tool to plug your product naturally in ongoing conversations or even create new posts about your product. There's a lot to talk about with this product. There's so much that it does, and we're going to show you how we can use this to monitor and post and promote one of our brands here right now using ReplyAgent. So let's go ahead to our dashboard, and we don't have any products created. So all we're going to do is hit this button, create your first product. And I'm going to add a product called Thumbjoy. This is a YouTube thumbnail generator that I created. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Thumbjoy, and then our website is thumbjoy.ai. Once we have this in, we're just going to go ahead and hit create product. But I want to point out that this tool will actually visit the website to learn about our product, generate documentation. We have to make sure it's publicly accessible, but it is. So we're going to go ahead and hit create product. We're going to just give this a couple minutes here as it's going to crawl and scan through our site, understand our product, and then it can help to work through and find conversations where we can post, promote, and plug our product. Okay, so there's a couple things here. It's asking for our product description. So we can go ahead and add this description here. AI is going to go out and try to analyze our site so it can figure out exactly what our product does. It's going to generate an AI description, but we can also tweak this description any way that we would like to make sure that it actually matches our ideal customer. So let's go ahead and let this work. It can only take 10 to 20 seconds, and then we should have a product description for our product. And check this out, what it does. Thumbjoy is an AI-powered thumbnail generator that transforms ordinary YouTube thumbnails into high-converting click magnets. It uses psychology-based AI to analyze and approve proven viral thumbnail patterns. This is perfect. This is exactly what my product does. I'm not even going to make any changes here. It has my target audience. It has my key benefits, my use cases, unique selling points, alternative and competitors. And really, this is actually really helpful. It's teaching me things about my product that I might not already know, including some of my competitors. So I really like this. We can save the description. We can also regenerate with AI, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit save. This is perfect. And we have everything that we need here. Okay, so now that we've added our domain, I just want to show you a couple things before we hit start agent. We can select the time range here, so we can choose past hour, today, past week, past month, past year, or all time. Let's go ahead and just switch this to past month, and then we can actually choose what kind of search mode we want. So we can discover Reddit posts just directly through Reddit, or we can also use a Google search. I'm just going to go ahead and keep this on Reddit search, which is the default. A couple of the last little things, we do have our email settings here where we can get email updates from the different opportunities. We can put in alternate emails here or additional emails here as well. We're just going to go ahead and leave this as my primary email. Now we can just hit start agent, and we're going to get this little pop-up module that tells us exactly what is going to happen along with some important notes. So let's go ahead and hit start AI agent, and this is going to be off. It's going to start to run every 24 hours. Comments will be generated automatically during peak times, 2 to 6 p.m. local time. and the modern analysis will begin automatically, and the first run will be tomorrow, Tuesday, November 18th at 2 p.m. So let's go ahead and actually just hit generate now so we can get these generated right now and we don't actually wait for the scheduled run, which is a really nice feature. We can have it run on a schedule. We can also just generate automatically for us. And check this out. The agent is off and it's starting to look for relevant conversations based on our product, based on our keywords, and based on everything it knows about our product. You can always update the product description if we would like so that it can have more context, or we can change the angle based on the product description, the target audience, the competitors, and all that kind of stuff. So look, let's go ahead and let this run. We'll come back as soon as it's done and we'll take a look at what we see. Okay, so that just took about 60 seconds and we got this message that our generation was successful. New comments have been successfully generated. Click refresh page to view the new comments in the AI content management section. Super, super cool. Okay, let's go ahead and hit refresh. And here we go. The page is going to refresh. And here we go. Here's our AI comment management system. And check this out. We have some opportunities in here for us. And what I really like is we get a score, we get these different tags, and we can actually see the comment. So, hey everyone, I want to start a genuine discussion of other monetized creators, especially those who run long format or faceless commentary style channels. So this is perfect. I run a faceless spirituality all-call channel that focuses on intuitive reading, spiritual insights, and so much more. We can actually see the whole post. And check this out. We have our suggested reply. Hey, fellow faceless creator here, totally different niche, true crime, da-da-da-da-da. And it goes on and on and on. What we can actually see here is that our product is being plugged. So we can see right here, thumbnails are everything for faceless folks like us, which is true. I struggled for months to make generic text on backward thumbs when I started using ThumbJoy. So there's this really subtle mention of our product, and this is what's going to drive traffic to our site. This reply is really good. The original poster or the people reading the comments are going to see the product ThumbJoy. They're going to Google it, and then they're going to find our product, discover it, and hopefully start using it. So this is Reddit marketing. This is how you can reply without getting banned and posting high quality value adding comments. If we don't like the reply, we can simply hit regenerate here. We can also post this directly to Reddit by hitting this button. We can copy it and reply ourselves if we would like. We can even add notes if we wanted to add notes. We can also just manually edit it if we would like. Moving on here, there are more opportunities and these are really on point. Here's another one. Hey everyone, I've been studying how some gaming YouTubers make thumbnails look so dynamic and professional, blah, blah, blah. And then here's our reply. And I love how it's written. It's not using capitalization. It's really looking like a human reply. Dude, I've been so obsessed with the same exact thing. So it's really like tapping into that empathy, and then it's generating a really high quality response based on the original reply. And this is really, really good. I still suck at Photoshop though, LOL. Ended up using ThumbJoy recently. It's been a game changer. Again, a really high quality reply that's going to get eyeballs on our product. We can also, take a look here at the top. We have our AI comment management. We have our AI post management. So we don't have any posts yet, but as we, reply and we make our comments to these posts, we can actually see our post management. And I just want to show you how easy it is to reply. So I'm going to create an actual reply here to one of these products. So I'm going to go ahead and hit post to Reddit. There's some different options. We can post immediately. We can post during peak US hours, which is the recommended option today at 11:54 p.m., which is just a few minutes from now. Or we can do a custom schedule if we'd like. And then after confirmation, your comment will be moved to the comment queue. We will get an email notification once it's successfully posted to Reddit. And remember, if the post or reply gets removed or shadow banned, we are not going to have to pay for that post. It's not going to count against our queue. So I'll just go ahead and hit confirm post, comment approved successfully, and there we go. So now we can see in the comment queue, we have our comment here. And I waited a couple minutes and check this out. My comment is now posted and live on Reddit. We can see here the original post, and then we can also see I posted reply. If we were to click this link, we'd actually be able to see this comment live out on Reddit. So this is working beautifully. I was able to generate an AI comment and then post it to Reddit automatically using ReplyAgent.ai. Now, there's also this AI post management. So if we hit new post here, we can actually create a post right in this platform to post our product. We can upload images, we can post the title and the content and so much more. So you can create new posts within the platform as well. So what I've done is I've set up a draft post and I've selected the YouTube subreddit. What I really like here is it actually shows me the rules of this specific subreddit. So we can see don't be toxic, no self-promotion, no spam. And here is my title and my content. Now this may seem a little bit spammy. So there's this really nice option that ReplyAgent.ai has where I can actually rewrite this post in a way that may be not identified as spam. So let's go ahead and do that. And we can provide additional feedback, but I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite this. And check this out in real time. It's actually going to rewrite this entire post for me in a way that'll be much more likely to not be banned or removed or flagged from Reddit. So let's go ahead and let this finish and check out what the end result is. And here we go. Here's our AI suggested rewrite. So we have our new title and then we have our new content. And this is written in a way that's designed to thrive on Reddit. I really, really love this. So if we like this, we can accept it. We can also regenerate if we want to give it another try, but I can just accept this here. And now that this is done, I'd be able to save my changes and then I could publish my post as an original post on Reddit if I would like. So super, super cool. Now, another thing I want to show you here is our keyword analytics. So we can see all this good information about our product, which again is a YouTube thumbnail generator. So we can see the different keywords, the total number of posts found, the hit rate, the conversion rate, and then we can see keyword performance sorted by hit rate. And we can see these different keywords like increased CTR YouTube thumbnails with the post, the relevance, the comments, the hit rate, and the conversion. So this is really, really helpful as we do our research and we get to post about our product using the Reply Agent. Yeah, and so this is super, super powerful. I'm loving this product. It makes it super easy to automate Reddit marketing, and it does a ton of the manual work for you all the way through posting so that you don't have to spend time, waste hours of your time finding these relevant high intent posts where you can plug your product. I highly recommend you check out Reply Agent. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any other videos like this one.